These DV8 off-road LED projector headlights will be perfect for the JK owner looking to update their lighting and give new life to the front end of their Wrangler. LED lighting will give you a brighter, cleaner looking, and more uniform light compared to your stock halogens. Not only will this upgrade the lighting performance, this will also give you an upgrade in styling and will match very well with any other LEDs that you have mounted up to your Wrangler. I would like to mention that these will require the stock halogen headlights to install and will not be compatible with the JK models that came with the LED headlights right out of the factory, and I'll explain why in just a little bit. Install will be a piece of cake, guys, at 1 out of 3 wrenches, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. These headlights will feature LED lighting technology that will have a crisp white light color temperature at right around 5000 K compared to your yellowish hued halogens that average at right around 2700 K. These will produce 1700 lumens at the low beam and 3200 lumens at the high beam, which will be about double the distance of your stock lights, which is where you're going to see the most gains out of these lights. Not only will they shine bright, they'll give the front end of your Wrangler a stealthy look with an all-black housing and give a bit of a refresh instead of those stock chrome headlights. These will not only look a lot cleaner than the stock halogens, these will last a lot longer at about 50,000 continuous hours. Like I said earlier, the Wranglers with the stock LEDs will not be compatible with these since you weren't able to remove the whole headlight bucket. However, if you did want to upgrade your LEDs to a different style LED like this one, you will need an adapter. Choosing lighting mostly comes down to personal preference in the design since there are so many options that we offer, as well as staying inside of your budget. These headlights are about $230 at the moment and are going to be one of the more budget-friendly options when it comes to projector headlights. These won't be your most premium LED projector headlights that we offer on the site right now, but these will still get the job done with their lighting performance giving you a stealthy look and having a very long lifespan. Like I said before, guys, install is going to be very easy at 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and now we'll go head over to the shop and I'll show you how to bolt these up.
The tools that we use for our install are a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, an extension, and a T15 Torx bit.
Now that we have the Jeep in the shop, we can go ahead and install our headlights. First, we're going to have to open up the hood and pop off the grill. So in order to remove the grill, we have to take off the 6 pot clips up top. So you can take a flathead or a trim removal tool. I'm just using a flathead. Just be careful not to scratch up your grill. Now you can go ahead and wedge the grill out from the clips in the radiator support. Give it a little tug. It's not going to break. Then you can lay this over and disconnect your turn signals. That fully removes your grill. So now in order to remove our headlight, we have to take out 4 Torx bolts with a T15 Torx bit. These bolts are going to be holding in the trim that is holding in your headlight, so just be careful when you take off that last one that you have a hold on your headlight so it doesn't fall out and damage the actual light. So now that you have the headlight removed, you can unclip it from the stock wiring harness and move over to the next one. So now before we install our new headlight, we have 2 wiring harnesses that we need to attach to our light. This EMC harness is going to prevent any LED flickering because of the lower resistance, so you're just going to plug that in. Then this harness is going to be your H4 to H13 conversion, which will be for your JK model. Then you can plug in your wiring harness to your stock harness. Pull that red tab down to secure it in place. You can tuck all of your wiring back into your headlight housing. You can take your existing trim, put that over your new headlight. Then you can reinstall your stock screws. The With those bolted up, you can move over to the next one. With the headlights installed, we can go ahead and reinstall our grille. You can pop it into place first, and then we can attach our pop clips. And reinstall our turn signal wiring. With everything bolted up, we can go ahead and close our hood. And after your hood's down, you're all set. That's it for my review and install on the DV8 off-road LED projector headlights. For more videos like this, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.